All right guys, it's ARES Maiden Day here at Tucson Jets. This plane is exactly the same as we did during the build of this plane. The only difference is this aircraft now has a JetCat 250 Pro instead of the Chikoi 240. So that was kind of a last minute change before we came down to the event. And the other ARES that we put together, which is an exact match, has the same engine in it as well too. So we'll have twinsies, and that'll be maidened probably today as well. So let's fire this thing up. So we have done all of our checks and balances and made sure that our cortex is going the right direction. We've done our range check and all is well. So the maiden flight's going to be pretty boring. We're just going to try and trim out all of our flight modes is the goal. So we do have lots of different flight modes on this aircraft. We've got regular takeoff flaps, landing flaps. We've got slow mode. We've got vector for hover. We've got vector for high rates. So lots of different flight modes. So we'll see how things go with it. All right, taking off. So as soon as we take off, I was only about 60% throttle. So as soon as we take off, gear away, flaps away, and about 50% throttle is perfect. So I'm just gonna trim it out as a first step. So I think we need a couple clips of up. So that's good there. So just a couple clicks of up elevator. So we are using the JetCat telemetry stuff, so I'm not sure if it does fuel readouts yet. But we do have fuel up on my screen.
Hover on.
So we've gone into hover mode. Just a couple clicks of up.
Flight mode 1.
And hover mode is high rates, so. Check roll rate. Okay, so we'll do a 45 inverted upline. Check CG. That's 0 compensation. So it's pretty good as a starting point. So once we get a little bit lower on fuel, we'll check our slow rates and stuff. So right now I'm at 3,000 milliliters of fuel for 3150.
4 minutes.
So our vector's on all the time as well. We do have the option to switch it off with a switch on the back.
Fuel level 75%.
So fuel level 75%. Okay, so I'm going to go up. We'll go into slow mode.
Slow mode 104.2 miles per hour. 102.7 miles per hour.
Needed a fair bit of trim.
97.1 miles per hour.
Sorry, Chris on the camera for flying so far away.
Miles per hour. 96.2 miles per hour. 105.1 miles per hour.
So slow mode is just
3
full
minutes.
flaps
75.4 miles per hour.
with gear away.
79.9 miles per hour. 79.9 miles per hour.
Slow mode away. Okay, now we'll do our knife edge check. And we flew the XL ARES down in LA about a month ago, I think. And it was amazing to fly. It's about half rudder, 0 compensation needed,
2 minutes.
0 coupling. So the one thing about the ARES aircraft, I don't have a ton of experience with them, but they're built very, very light. So it's not a plane where you're absolutely ripping on it like a BDX as an example, or any elite aerosports plane. Crazy. I haven't even gone to full power yet, so. Okay, so fuel level, we're at 2147, which is just above 50%. 1 minute left. So I'm gonna get it slow now, and we're gonna trim it out for
50 seconds.
landing flaps. We'll probably need a bunch of up.
Takeoff mode F. Gear down. 40 seconds.
Okay, so gear pass.
Fuel level 50%.
So we're gonna go up high,
30 seconds.
full flaps.
91.3 miles per hour.
Well, that's actually not as bad as I thought.
75.2 miles per hour. 70.9 miles per
So
hour.
on full flaps, we've got our speed call out.
70.9 miles per hour. 10, 9, 79.9 miles per hour.
Okay, so if
6,
everything looks good, we'll
5,
come in for a landing.
4, 72 miles per hour. 1, 65.8 miles per hour. 63.8 miles per hour. 55.3 miles per hour. 48.8 miles per hour. 41.8 miles per hour. 30.4 miles per hour.
And I gotta say, that engine is crazy. As I was coming over the end of the runway, I was giving it little blips, and that was from idle. That was
21.3 miles
nuts
per hour.
how that responded.
19 miles per hour.
Super cool.
Takeoff mode F flaps.
Thank you, Chris, on the camera for videoing this. Obviously, Maiden flight, we don't really do a ton of cool stuff and really feel out the plane. It's more about getting it trimmed, and feels good. So we're gonna get a bunch of flights on it today is the goal, and it's gonna be fun.
Here we go.
Wings are at flight mode 1.
You took power out?
Yeah.
Tell me what you need.
Fuel
3
level
clicks up.
85%.
One more. One more. You feel it? One more up.
Fuel level 83%.
One more. One more. That's good. Okay, normal flight's trimmed.
Okay. No aileron?
No. Okay. We'll do half flaps on when we're upwind. Flies perfect.
Takeoff flaps.
Flaps.
5 minutes.
Up elevator.
Fuel level
Keep going. Okay, that's good.
78%.
Good?
No, two click down. 2 more. 1 more. 1 more. That's it.
Nothing.
Back to the middle.
Back to zero.
Give me 1 click up.
Fuel level
Okay.
76%.
This is hands off.
Perfect.
Very good.
Good speed. Clean up.
Flight mode 1.
We'll do full
Full
flaps.
flaps.
Half
Takeoff
flaps.
flaps.
Full
Full
flaps.
flaps 72 miles per hour.
For my taste.
Fuel level
2
Dropping.
clicks, 3 clicks up.
78%.
That's dropping slightly.
95.5
Okay,
I think that's good.
That's good.
Miles
Clean up.
Flight mode 1.
All right. Now enjoy it.
Let's do a
4
CG.
minutes.
CG test, yeah.
Beautiful. Amazing.
Okay, so try. You want to try hover?
Yeah. Let me feel it a little bit.
How much fuel we have?
Fuel level 68%.
Perfect.
Wow. What a plane. Knife edge?
Knife edge.
Three minutes.
Wow. Okay, we're gonna try hover.
How's power?
Beautiful.
You want to go hover mode?
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta trim it first.
Okay. Go vertical hover mode.
I'm gonna trim level first.
Okay.
I'll fly slowly. Same switch.
Yeah.
Remote.
Hover.
2 clicks up.
Fuel level
Keep going. I tell you when to stop.
53%.
Okay, that's it. 1 more.
Flight mode
Okay.
1.
Okay. You want to do
Let's do a full span.
full span?
Yep. So probably
2
3
minutes.
clicks, 3-4 clicks up.
Up. Okay.
Fuel level 50%.
50% fuel.
Okay.
Full span and then set up for landing.
Yeah.
Fuel level 1,997 milliliters. Hover. High rates.
What do you need?
4
Fuel
clicks up.
level 49%.
More. More. 1 more. 1 more. 1 more. That's good.
Hover.
That's
Flight
it.
mode 1.
Okay. Set up for landing.
All right.
Good. Good.
All good.
Takeoff flaps. Full flaps 75.8%. Gear down.
Yep.
66.7 miles
Feels good.
per hour. 72 miles per hour.
And it drops a little bit,
Drops a little bit.
like how you like it.
3.9 miles per hour.
So your back pressure.
Yep.
50 seconds. 65.8
Yep.
miles per hour.
No headroom.
wind.
Yeah.
71.4 miles per hour. 40 seconds. 66.7 miles per hour. 50.6 miles per hour. 30 seconds. 45 miles per hour. Fuel level 40%. 37.1 miles per hour. 20 seconds. 21.3 miles per hour.